Good evening. Welcome to Unbound SMS portal. So first what we are going to do is we will be opening the browser and we will be typing our URL directly in the browser. As such, we will type https:/portal1.unboundsms.in/app/ till this will be your URL. So once you typed it, it will ask you for the username and password. So you enter your username password, you will get the secondary authentication, that you will receive an OTP to get logged into a system. Once you get logged in, what you have to do is you have to go to SMS. In SMS you have an option called campaign. Okay, in campaign there will be an option called create. There are two types of messages. So one is promotional and the transactional. Please note, for each and every message that you are sending out, your template has to be registered with DLT. Until unless you register your template with DLT, it won't work. Whatever the message you send, just the payment will get deducted, but the SMS will not get delivered. So ensure all the template has been registered or all the message format has been registered with DLT. I am selecting the transactional message to just show you the simple message. As we are focusing on the very simple message, I am going to select simple, whereas segmented and dynamic will talk about the multiple variable in a single message. For example, dear, again one variable, again after that you will be giving out some date or something else in the message. That will talk about the multiple variable. Now we will be discussing about only the simple message and simple message campaign that we are going to send it out. I am just going to select a simple, then click just OK. Once it is done, it will ask for a campaign. I'm just giving it demo test 1 as a campaign name. DLT content is your template ID. I have registered my template ID as such. What I'm going to do is I'm copying this template ID and simply I'm pasting it out. Ensure no spaces before and after. And when you click on the sender drop down, I have registered 4 sender with me for my company. I have just selected the sender ID. Once I select the sender ID, it will show you which is my primary entity ID, and keep this as a plain text. This short URL is the one which will help you to check whether the customer has clicked that link or not. So if you are using this, you will be requiring a website with the content so that the URL can be pasted over here. Now campaign message. This is my campaign message. What I'm going to do is I'm copying this and pasting it over here. Now what I'm going to do is as I said earlier, the segment and dynamic message, here I have 3 variables. These type of messages we will be using in segmented and the variable way. So now what I'm going to use is I'm putting my name over here and I'm putting out due to technical issue, and I'll put it as an ETR, estimation time of resolution will be I'm putting it as 3 has of time as a resolution time. Okay, now what I'm going to do is now I'm just simply clicking on send. So once you enter these messages, you will get how many characters has been used and how many message will be sent it out over here. Its part will be sent. Now you click on send. Now if your messages are already in the address book, I have few messages over recipient added in the address book. If not, what you can able to do is you can directly enter the recipient over here by entering the country code, and I'm entering my mobile number right now here. Okay, if you have some Excel file, okay, there is a sample Excel file will be downloaded over here. You have to download it based on the template and format that is there. You will enter the mobile numbers and you simply upload it over here. Now I'm going to send message only for one number. Once I done, I will click on finish. When I click on finish, it will ask you whether you have to execute it or schedule it. Now when I click on yes, it will show you the pricing, all those things. Now it will have from which primary entity ID, what is the type of account, how many messages, everything will be there. When you click on next, it will ask you to execute or schedule. Scheduling is the one you can able to schedule it for the future days. Now I'm going to execute it right away. When I click on execute, it will show you a message called your request has been submitted successfully. When you click on OK, you will get the status over here. Now I have sent only one ID and the execution ID is here. Type is simple and by what date, everything is here. Now what can I do is like I can able to either kill it because it has not been delivered to the customer, or I can copy it, or I can rerun this campaign again. Now I need to know the status of it. I simply go and refresh my browser. So once I refresh my browser, I'll get the status. What is the status of this machine? It shows like submitted, processed one of one. Still the message has not reached me because my number is out of network area. I don't have the tower over here. Now I'm closing my flight mode. So now I'm refreshing it out. I got the message delivered. The status will get updated in shorter period of time. It will show you as a completed one when you come and check after like 5 minutes or 10 minutes of time. So this is how we will be sending out the messages. Again, when you click on reports, you can select the report, what type of report you need. You can click on detailed report. When you click on detailed report, it will ask you from which date to which date that I need the report. I'm giving it as from 12/1/2021 to 12/31, that is this month report. So automatically the report will come over here. If you need, you can also download it as the other you can download it, or you can able to send it to the mail. You will get the status of it. See, the last message which I sent is it has get delivered. This is the last message that we sent today, 31 by 9:50. It has got delivered. So this is how we can able to pull the report, and where you can go and add the template over here if you need. If you think like my template, I need not to copy the message every time, and I can able to save the template. You can go and save the template over here. And for the contacts, as I said earlier, you can go and click on address book, and you can able to click on it. See here, when I click on it, there will be some contacts. 1 minute, I'll show you. Sorry, my contacts, I have just created the name, but I didn't add the contact. So when you go here, you can click on segments or fields, and you can able to like enter the customer details, everything over here by updating the Excel file. You can upload it in the like CSV file, which you can able to download the sample file over here. When I click on here, you'll get a sample CSV file. We can able to execute over here. So this is how the message that we are going to send. Ensure you are logging off from your system every time when you send the message, as this plays a very important role. Once again, I'm just highlighting that each and every time, for each and every message, it's not time, each and every message the template has to get registered. See, I have multiple templates registered over here. I have somewhere around 40 templates registered here for different content. So here it's subscriber renewal, top up, time expiry, registration, mobile verification. These are the formats that I'm going to send. Each and for every format, I have my template ID with me, which will act as a content ID. Without this, the SMS will not get delivered. DLT system will not allow our SMS to get delivered. So requesting you to check whether the template has been registered already before the SMS sent. Here comes to end of our SMS demo in our VI portal. Okay, thank you. And if any doubt, please reach me. I'm there to support you. Thank you.